Hello everyone, my name is Harold and I came from Bayındırsom in Arkham province, which is located from 360 kilometers away from Ulaanbaatar. And I've been studying at Etugen University in Ulaanbaatar for 3 years. And today I'm starting a challenge, speak only in English. So it's a little bit troublesome, but let's see about that. Okay, let's see my daily schedule. My class starts at 12, but I have something to do with the project with my team. Okay, let's go to the school then. Okay, this area is a student zone in Ulaanbaatar. Most universities are located here. You can find everything about this place. I mean, like everything. I know this place very well, but I have a little experiment for you guys. So, like, I wanted to ask for directions to Etugen University from this behind those guys, I think. Okay, let's do this. Excuse me, can I ask you one question, please? Mongolia is bit shy in front of the camera, but we are very friendly and hospitable persons. And you won't even see any firearms or cold weapons in here, but there is a petty theft. This happens occasionally, but you don't hear any serious crimes. I'll ask the question right now. Excuse me, can you tell me the directions to the Etugen University, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, you follow this pavement about 20 meters.
Okay, 20 meters.
And then you turn right.
Okay,
And
turn
then you should
right.
be able to see Etugen University.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
See that? The last person is just answered my question in English. I would say that 1 in 3 people, they can hold a conversation in English, but the elderly people can't really understand English, but they are fluent in Russian. So that will be it. Okay, this is our university library. My friends are waiting to do our projects here. Good morning. And they probably be here. Like, yeah, that's there. What's up, guys? Hello. Okay. What's the project? Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay. We are doing a graduation project here. We have some coding troubles, but I bet we can solve this. And my friend Lobster here, he's going to Japan to work. Can you tell us more about that?
Oh yeah, I'm going to work in Japan as a front-end programmer in CL company starting from September. The company has a contract with my school, Etugen University. It has been my dream since childhood to work in Japan, so I'm very excited about it.
So, our university has a collaboration with South Korean and Japanese universities and companies to provide job or study abroad opportunities. Awesome, right? basketball is big deal in Mongolia. We have our own university league right now, and we are the top contenders here. We have won 2 years straight, and some good players they will get offers from other companies and basketball teams. Unfortunately, I'm not that good, so I'm still a big fan of the Panthers. Go Panthers! Okay, my class starts in 20 minutes, so I have to go. I forgot I had assignment to print today, but luckily we have this printer on every branches of our university. This is so easy to use. You just tap your buttons. You can print non-colored or colored, everything you want. And you just tap your buttons like this. And you have a paper. Easy to use. And also we have this book catalog. So easy to use, non-English or English, just basic. You just select your subjects and there's your book. Just search it and use it. Cool, right? Hey guys, welcome back. She's a professor, Master Bindia from our engineering university. She got his master's degree at Seoul National University of Science and Technology.
Hello everyone, welcome to Biomedical Signal Processing Lab. We recently started this lab. Here we conduct experiments with our students. Here projects created by our students. Here mini centrifuge and speed measurement device, massage gun, and smart glasses designed for people with visual impairments. So we have an electroencephalograph and electromyograph recording device from OpenBCI. We experimented with turning on a light using alpha signals detected from FP1 and FP2 electrode positions. We are planning to conduct 10 more experiments in 2026.
Okay, thank you, Professor, for telling us your products. So class is over, so let's go meet up with my friends. is our swimming pool, first ever built pool in Mongolia, renovated by our university this year, and we have the latest water filters so the water in the pool can be clean as possible, and students here get a clean, safe, comfortable place to swim and stay active. Okay, so this is the end of my day. I'm heading to my dormitory to have a dinner and rest. The exams is coming soon, so I'm focusing on my exams. If you're watching this video, you have to visit Mongolia because our countryside is so very popular on the foreign people, so you can visit them on holidays. And living in Mongolia, only speaking English isn't so bad. We can help you, or you can help us to improve our English so we can communicate better. And today my challenge is ended, so I can speak my Mongolian language again. So баяртай, дараа дахин уулзъя. Peace!